Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the FREEWING Avanti version 2 80mm. Got a nasty cross breeze, but you know what? That's what I get and that's the way it goes. So, gotta learn how to stay on your rudder. All right, take her up, have a little bit of fun. Timer set for 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Haven't flown this in a hot minute. I've only got a 7-channel Lemon RX non-stabilized with a satellite in there. Okay.
Brakes off.
Okay, do me a favor. We had to pause the video for just a moment. I forgot I gotta change the. Yeah. All right, folks. Sorry, I forgot I hadn't changed the braking to the I switch or the interrupter switch. So. All right. Well, like I said, I have no kind of gyro or stabilization of any type in this plane. But we'll talk about rates and all that kind of good jazz after the flight.
Gear up. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Yeah, I haven't flown this plane in a hot minute.
Gear down.
Yeah, landing is going to be interesting, given the how windy it is. All right, gear is still down.
Landing flaps.
Now, whenever you're rolling like that, and it's just a little too fast, don't try to turn. Just let her roll. Let her roll. Okay, now I know I should not have needed flaps, and with braking with this one, you have no cheater underneath. You get the full force of that braking, so ease into it. Don't try to force the braking, because it is very, very effective. All right, let's try this again to kind of get a better landing this time.
Gear up.
Even with this wind, the Avanti is such a stable, locked-in jet. Really is.
Gear down. Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, gears down. Yeah.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
Kind of a slap and go there. I'm going to have to change how my approach.
Landing flaps.
Yeah. This cross breeze a bit more than what I was expecting. Yeah, that cross breeze is fierce today.
Flaps up.
Really fierce today.
One minute.
All right, what we're going to do is we're going to change and bring our approach in from that direction now. I'm going to take off one more time. And I'm going to make my approach from that direction now. I'm determined to get one good landing.
Landing flaps.
Man.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
Flaps up.
Now you can see the huge difference it takes versus going into the wind and then versus landing with a crosswind. The wind is going that way, so I was landing in the wind. I had a lot more control. So anyways, let's take it back to the bench and talk about her. Okay, we're back. All right, folks, right off the bat, before I drop the gear, or before I go any further, let me show you what my rates are. It is just nasty cross breeze today. Ailerons are 100% with 30% expo. Elevator, 100%, 30% expo. And rudder's the same, 100%, 30% expo. Now, my flap system, flaps up, there's no mix as far as the first two. Flaps up are a negative 100%. Takeoff flaps are a negative 50%. As you can see, they're split. And then landing flaps is a positive 25% with a 15% down elevator mix. You may or may not be, yeah, you can kind of watch that elevator. You can see it move just a little bit. And that's on a 2-second deployment. All right, now let's talk about what's under the tank, under the hood here. All right, the only thing I've modded, done the antenna mod on there to grab the hatch so I don't have to dig out with my fingers, which I didn't just do. I've got a Lemon RX Gen 2 non-stabilized, just a regular receiver, 7-channel. And then I got the satellite right there. Okay, the plane has thrust reverse, and that's where I've got the 5,000 Turnigy. Let's take a look and see how much is left in the tank. That was a 4-minute and 10-second flight. 13, okay, so I flew exactly right at 4 minutes. See what's left. Now I don't have the KM model afterburner in this. Instead I have the FREEWING brand. And we still got 54%. I could have flown for a full 5 minutes, easy. Easy. But just a good flying plane, even in the wind, because the Avanti design is just a phenomenal design. I don't care who makes the Avanti. Just the airframe itself just lends itself to be such a stable plane. And there's a nasty cross breeze today. This is not what I call fun. But anyways, there you go. That is the Avanti 80mm version 2 by FREEWING. Kind of like a 4-wheel drive truck for a jet. And yeah, all right, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then sport jets. Bye-bye.